Girl, yeah, I swear, chocolate, I wanna bite. They say I love the fit to make a man fight. Me tell you get out up, who better than bring a mouse, my girl, fine like a terabyte. So it's a
Happy Saturday, guys. Welcome back again to the channel and welcome back to Bonesy Spot. What do you have to say, Kaito? What do you have to say now?
Hey guys.
Hey guys. But anyways, guys, welcome back again to the channel and welcome back to Bonesy Spot. It is a beautiful, see the picture. What's it, the chook head for inside that place? It is a beautiful Saturday and I am going to cook because you guys, I am booked and busy today. Thankful for this February that came with a lot of blessings. My staff and I were supposed to decorate at a restaurant for a birthday, so but thankfully it doesn't start till like 4 p.m. so this morning I want to, every time counts, every minute counts. I have to be productive. This year is my year of productivity and results. Yes, so I need to, what they call it, head to the market. But I'm going with my children because yesterday when I was heading out, Kaima had not seen me, you know, because I had a lot of decorations yesterday for Valentine. Hold on, let me clean this lens. I think it's a lot better. So I had a lot of decorations yesterday, right? So my children, you know, Kaito is a bit matured now. So when I tell him, mommy is heading out, mommy is going for this, mommy is going, he understands. But Kaima is still the smaller one that I want mommy. So yesterday when I came back to hurriedly dress up and start leaving the house, hey, Kaima did not find it funny yesterday. Kama did not find it funny at all. She didn't find it funny. She cried so much. Like, I felt so bad. So this morning we're going to spend all our time together. We're going to cook together. We're going to the market together. We're going everywhere together. If I blink, until when I have to go to the decoration place. But I'm thinking I will even carry them all because we're not doing so much. We're just doing like a gallant for the birthday, so we're not doing so much. So yeah, we're heading to the market now. Let me go and, what they call it, get nylon, wear them their slippers, wear shorts as well, and then we start heading to the market. So when we come back, I've told Auntie Peace to bring her meat, one more everything. I've told her to do all of that. When we come back, we're going to spend our Saturday cooking. You guys will say, Boomsy, you are cooking. Oh yes. Oh yes. But anyways, let's just be heading out and I hope you guys would enjoy this vlog. I'll see you guys. Let's go. Let's go. First going to pick up. It's not our season yet. It's our season.
Yes, our season is coming. My God,
Our season is coming.
yes, I got grace. Hey, that my princess, my prince.
You guys, I was heading to the market, but I had to make a stop with my parfait lady. We don't have active data left. I had to make a quick stop with my parfait lady to pick up parfait from her. I ordered this yesterday, right? Part of like Valentine package for my husband's breakfast. But she was so overwhelmed. This is the lady I use for like all of my cocktails. You know, when I plan events, this is my go-to person. This is who does cocktails and parfait for me. As in, she has one of the best cocktails and parfait in Lagos, no cap. And how did I meet her? I met her, she was my neighbor when we were having our bazaar. And you know, we're just saying, let's just look for something to drink. She said, well, let her give me parfait now. And then when I tasted this parfait, I was like, what? These fruits are fresh. This granola, this ever since then. And my husband tried it, he loved it. So yesterday morning I wanted to give it to him, like, you know, breakfast and everything, but she was so overwhelmed. She had a lot of orders yesterday, but she told me to come and pick it very early this morning. So Valentine continues. Valentine is every day. I just came to pick it quickly. My children are just there playing in the playground, but we'll be leaving right now so we can just quickly enter into the market. And carry balloon.
Take the water now.
I forgot me, grandma.
Go this way.
Customer. Oh yeah, POS. She come now, her children there.
Okay.
It's empty, like 2,000.
I just said she said it's a good pound.
Okay, maybe like 1,000 now. So I feel add up. What's the name? Come, Ja. You guys, I met my subscriber in the market. You know what? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Bye. Hey, peace. Have you bought lettuce?
A few moments later.
I'm back from the market, but before I head into the kitchen, I want to have some of this buffet that I got for my husband. I showed you guys. It's this buffet that I got.
Wow!
So rich, so lovely. Let you eat. So yummy.
Yummy, 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 yummy food. Mama, yummy, yummy ice cream. Even me, I like yummy, yummy ice cream. Wow!
You guys, see the toppings. Like, see the toppings. See the toppings.
Toppings! I like it, mommy. Yummy, yummy ice cream.
I'll see you guys. Hey guys, you guys, I'm actually very sleepy. I've changed because yes, I know it's okay. Once I leave here, I'm heading straight to the venue for what they call it, for setup. I need to just make at least, even if it's just the children's soup first. Let me make that before we head out for setup. My assistant is already around. Did you blend it that way? today. Maybe the one that is. Let's see. Let's move.
Excuse me, guys. Hey guys, see, I've changed because I'm heading out. I think I told you guys in the beginning of this video that I have decoration for today and for 4 o'clock. This is 3:46. I actually have to start heading out right now, so I'll see you guys at the venue before I end up this video. I made egusi and vegetable, but that's not all I need to cook. When I get back, I'll see if I can cook stew and other things, but tomorrow the cooking will continue. But let's just be heading out.
A few moments later.